and welcome to Little Luxuries with Lynn. I'm so grateful you're here with me today. We will be going through 2 boxes today, and the reason being is that they are the July boxes. I was on vacation for 2 weeks, and I still wanted to go through them and show you, let you know what kind of quality products come in these boxes so you can subscribe for the August boxes if you so choose. So let's get into them. We will start with Glossy Box. Now, Glossy Box, you get 5 full-size products, and every month is $21 a month. There are discounts for various months if you purchase in advance. They always have discounts for your first box. I got my first box for $16, so it's a good deal. So let's get in the box and see what they sent. I'm sure you've seen other boxes out there, and I'm curious to find out if there's a golden ticket in my box. So here it is. It's a really pretty box. I love the seaside look to it. Treasure box. It's really pretty. I love this color, teal, light blue. All right, so we open it up, and here are the, here is the bow that's always tied, and then the information on what's inside the box. All right. I'm going to go in order of the brochure. And the first item I see looks to be a substitution. They substituted an eyeshadow palette, a small 2-pan palette, for Ciate Glow to Illuminate Blush. Let's open it up. Here it is. You can see that? Let's see what it looks like. I don't have very good luck at opening these boxes. I always end up destroying them. Okay, it's tiny and adorable. Look at that. Is that not just the cutest little thing you've seen? All right. Ooh. Wow, that is glowy. Look at that. It's a pink with gold tones to it. That is perfect for, anybody guess? Vacation, traveling, perfect size. I have a tiny little Hulu bronzer that I keep around for the exact same reason. This is perfect. All right. And they don't say, it's not even in the brochure, so they don't even show it, so I really can't tell you any solid information about it or give you a value of it. But the eyeshadow that I was supposed to originally get was MSRP $16. So I'm gonna guess this is probably around the same price. All right, the next items are 2 makeup brushes by Elena Badro. In the pamphlet, they look light blue. Now, can you see the color? Well, they're green. They're gonna work just the same, but it is a color variation. So one is an angle brush, and the other is a small blending brush. Let's get them out of here so you can see them. They feel really nice. They feel like they're good quality brushes. Not bad. These I'm definitely keeping around. They don't seem to be shedding at all right from out of the package, which is unusual. These are good. All right. Here it says Divine Duo Set. Well, they're saying MSRP is $34. Not bad considering the box is $21. All right. Then the next item they're showing is Perlice Blue Lotus Seaweed Treatment Sheet Mask. I always like sheet masks. This is a great brand. They're reasonably priced, but with good quality products. So this one is Blue Lotus and Seaweed, intensely moisturizing, soothing, and balancing for all skin types. Great, okay. And this retail value is $6. All right. Then the next item they show is an eye cream by a company I've seen in other boxes called Verso. Yeah, it's the dogs in the background barking. Gotta love them, my tinies. Okay, this is Vero Skincare, an eye cream. The rich formula nourishes and moisturizes the eye. Well, they're saying the retail value on this is $21. The full size is $80. This is great for traveling again. Perfect size. And this you can get a good amount of tries out of. Okay, fantastic. Then the last product is Batiste Volume Dry Shampoo. We've all seen this around the block. Works great. Does sometimes leave a white haze, but you just brush it or fluff it out. This is volumizing. Put some oomph back in your locks with this dry shampoo. Great for when you are on the go. And that's, again, this box has great products. And you know what? I just realized I mentioned in the beginning of this video that you get 5 full-size products. That was not correct. You get 5. They're usually deluxe sample sizes. And so what do we get here? We got 1, 2, 3, the substitution 4, and they're counting this as 1, so 5. I think we did really well. And I know the value is there considering just the eye cream alone is at $21. And that's what I paid for the box, is $21. So that's great. I'm happy with the Glossy Box. It's products that I will use, products that I hang on to for when I go visit family and travel to fun vacation spots like the beach. Unfortunately, no golden ticket in mine. This month, Glossy Box was doing a promotion of golden tickets, and I think the winning tickets received a flat iron, but it was like a $400 flat iron. So not for me, I guess. The next box is the Naked Beauty Box. Let me open this up. A little bit about the Naked Beauty Box. It is skincare only. So if you know somebody who's a skincare junkie like myself, this would make a great gift. Wonderful subscription. I've gotten this in the past and I do enjoy the products. Each month you receive at least $100 plus of the value in it. It's all cruelty-free, vegan, and non-toxic. Most of the brands are, most of the skincare brands are by women-owned companies, and that just makes my heart sing. I love that. I love supporting women-owned businesses. And they also put in some small batch indie brands. All right, this is $35.99 a month. If you prepay, you get a slight discount at 3 months and 6 months. All right, so here, when I open the box, this is what we see. This is the little card that talks about everything that's in here. And then here we are. I didn't peek this month since I was on vacation. I didn't get to look at any of them. Okay, wow. It's full, it's stuffed full. They look like nice sized products too. Okay, let's see. Let's start with the very first one. It's plant-based beauty, avocado and algae face mask. Let me see if I can find that. This is adorable. I love it when they send them with tiny little spatulas. This is how it's wrapped up. Now let's open it up and see what we got. Again, why are we all so fascinated by tiny? But my God, is that just the cutest thing in the world? That's adorable. And it's a nice size jar. Wow. And I'm gonna guess it's a powder and you activate with water. Yep. So it's just a powder. Let's read a little bit about it. Instantly notice soft and clean skin from the nourishing superfoods of avocado, spirulina, and moringa that give your skin the vitamins it needs. This face mask helps to brighten your complexion, soften and hydrate damaged skin, detoxes and clears skin, soothes breakouts, and helps calm redness. This sounds like an all-around great product. It named off probably 6 different skin issues that this says it works well for. The value of this is $22. Now we got to keep in mind this box was $35.99. All right, we'll go on to the second product, which is the Gypsy Soul Organics Cactus Face Toner. We've gotten Gypsy Soul products before on this channel from this company, and I love the products. Again, they are, here it says, mama owned and operated, scratch made since 2010. I don't know if you can see that. And then, simple and organic. All right. Let's open this up, see what we got. Now this was a face toner. The value of $30. It's a great try me size. So it talks about this intense hydration and cell proliferation formulated from cactus flower, prickly pear seed oil, and aloe vera leaf to keep skin quenched even under dry conditions. This unique formula helps skin maintain its essential moisture to keep it soft and smooth. Protects your collagen, plumps, brightens, exfoliates, and hydrates. Wow. This product can be used over makeup to keep skin hydrated, even under dry conditions. It supports natural skin cell respiration and helps maintain essential moisture to keep it soft and smooth while detoxifying and protecting skin from environmental aggressors. The next product they have listed here is Janison Faye Boston Detox Night Cream. Okay, let's see. Get this unwrapped. All of these are really nice sized products. All right, so the next product is Janison Faye Boston Detox Night Cream. Okay, and the value of that is $30. Okay, detoxing, replenishing nighttime cream with lavender and peony flower improves skin's elasticity and firmness, soothes and nourishes skin with natural floral extracts and the calming effects of lavender, and enhances the skin's ability to recharge during sleep. I'm looking forward to using that product. That's wonderful. All right, we've got more to go. Let's see, the next one is Plant-Based Beauty, a second product from this company, Heal and Glow Facial Oil. I love a good facial oil. Fantastic. Okay, and it's the value of $26. There you go. Okay, let's learn about this product. Intense hydration for softer and smoother skin overnight. This cold pressed superfood, moringa oil, provides nutrients to instantly take your skin to a new level of soft and smooth. Plant-Based Beauty's best-selling serum softens and hydrates damaged dry skin, brightens dull skin, renews skin cells, and clears scars. That sounded a lot like their avocado and algae face mask. It sounds like when they develop these products, they make it work for a lot of different purposes. Sorry for the shaking. My dogs ran off and bumped my camera. And now they're barking again. This is my life. Dogs barking. All right, we have one more product, and this looks very interesting. This is called the Farmer's Touch Body Whip. And it looks really wonderful inside. Ooh, yeah, that looks really good and gooey. Ooh, and I smell There must be peppermint or in this. Yeah, it's really nice. I got some out, put some on, and it is really nice. Wow. The perfect moisturizer that will leave your skin hydrated and smooth. Prepped in small batches, this body whip is perfectly blended of organic shea butter, organic coconut oil, organic carrot seed oil, organic jojoba oil, organic peach seed oil, organic papaya, and prickly pear extract, and organic Madagascar vanilla. Well, I don't know why. Oh, maybe the prickly pear that I'm smelling, but it smells fantastic. It makes you, the smell is like an energizing fragrance. Well, if you add all of this up, we've got 30, 20, 30, 60, 90, 80, $110 worth of products. So the Naked Beauty box is one of my favorites that I will continue getting. The products mean a lot to me, being vegan and cruelty-free. Cruelty-free is probably the biggest one for me, seeing that I love my animals. Suki sits next to me every time I film. Don't you? Suki, girl. Yeah, good girl, come on. Oh, you can't see her. Sometime I'll have to do a video and just introduce you to all my dogs. Well, thanks for spending some time with me, and I appreciate it if you hit the thumbs up and subscribe and ding the little bell. Thanks again, and take care.